Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice input in ChatGPT application using your mobile device. Whether you are multitasking, prefer speaking over typing, or just want a hand-free experience, this feature can help. So let's get started. First of all, open up the ChatGPT application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main home screen, go to the chat box at the bottom of the screen and then click on the little microphone icon. You will need to allow microphone access by tapping on Allow when prompted. After you do that, you can go ahead and record your voice. Tap on the microphone icon to start recording your question or message. Hi, what's up? And then tap on the little tick mark on the bottom right to send in the message. And right after you do that, the app will automatically convert your voice into text. You can now send in the text by tapping on the little arrow facing upwards at the bottom right. And there you have successfully used the voice input in ChatGPT app. The app will respond just like it would to a typed message, and you can continue the conversation by speaking again or switching back to typing anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.